Well, hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update on this MU news that stock jumped 5% today or thereabouts. But to me, this is not really a stock that I want to invest in. Let's take a look at some of the aspects of this stock here. You can see the move up today, right in there, a huge topping tail, which means everybody got excited, and then sellers came back in and said, "Whoa, not so fast. The other parts of the business aren't doing so well," even though we sort of got a little Kijun Tenkan cross, or at least it's starting to cross here. We did have a trend line. It broke up above that trend line, and the price is above the cloud. But let's take a look at some other things. Volume is huge last couple of days. MACD's coming up, but there is a lot of negative divergence. You can see the high price here on the MACD and the ever increasing lower prices on the MACD. I mean the price up here, and then the ever lowering price on the MACD. That's not a good sign. On balance volume was good, but it really only reflected the last 3 or 4 days of trading. And of course the ADX is dismal at 18. You need to be at 25 at least for a strong trend, and you can notice still that the ADX is decreasing. So the trend is decreasing. This stock moves around a lot. This wouldn't be in my buy book. You got to watch out for earnings coming up here. This is the weekly chart. Again, you can see that it crossed the Tenkan down below and then up above. Everybody got excited, but this first day of the week, volume's not going to show up until we get to Friday. MACD's kind of flat. The on-balance volume is dismal, but again, it's Monday, so what can you do? 19 on the ADX. And let's take a look at, this is interesting, because let's take a look at the monthly chart. And I usually check every one of these time periods. Let's take a look here. Okay, let me just expand a little bit more. Now, on the monthly chart, you can see it's been in a trend for quite a long while here. It's not something that it would have come up on my sheet, but the price is above the cloud. That's a good thing. Volume's coming down, not a good thing. MACD is positive, and it has been since it hit a low at the bottom down in this area. So right here might have been a good price on the monthly chart to purchase, but it's not good in my book. And the on-balance volume, it jumped up a little bit, but it's pretty dismal. And again, the ADX is down at 17. But here's what makes me even more nervous about Micron. See all this overhead supply up here? Right up here. You got a lot of people, all from this area, looking to get square out of the price. So when it reaches up in this area, let me see, what is that? That's about 100, right? Anything about 100 here, I think Micron is going to struggle to get 100. It wouldn't be even a watch list item in my book. So I hope that helps, and we'll chat with you later. Bye-bye.